Wow, that's pretty good. Nice waves. Do you sell those paintings?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, nice. What's your name?
Heather Collins.
Heather?
Yeah.
All right, good to meet you, Heather. I'm Jeff.
Hi, Jeff. It's heathercollins.art on Instagram.
The what?
heathercollins.art on Instagram.
Oh, I'm too old for Instagram, so they won't let me on there. I'll put it down, though.
Thank you.
So what do you call this?
We are a gym. We're a CrossFit gym. And so 2 times during the summer we come out and do a beach workout.
Ah, okay.
So right now we're just playing around with the kettlebells, but we're about to start our workout actually right after
Oh,
this.
okay.
So running and,
You don't call this activity anything?
well, this is our strength portion. So in a competition that like World CrossFitters did this few weeks ago, they were throwing their kettlebells for distance. So we are throwing our kettlebells for distance.
Nice.
Yeah, yeah.
How much do those weigh?
It depends. So there's a 53, a 26, and an 18.
Pounds or kilograms?
Pounds.
Oh, wow.
Yep.
50's 53, you said?
53 is the big one, right next
Wow,
to us.
that's what he was throwing?
Yeah.
That's huge.
To the left, to the right, and behind your back.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Hey, you can do it. Anybody can do it.
Lincoln Chain. Cool.